viewers, you're watching Poo Boom Pro. So this video will be in English, so watch carefully. So here you know that I have many skins like Nova skin, Sniper skin, RPK skin, and also my pistol means Deagle skin. So how do I get the skins? So for the skins, you will need to go in this market. You need to go in cases. In cases, you will get here Revival, Infinity, NBSH, and Infect. You can buy them at 40 keys. So you will buy them. I'm not buying because I want a mercenary character and I want to save my keys. So you will buy 40 keys. Any one case. So after buying, you need to go in inventory. Tap on that item. Tap sell. You can sell them. So here these are active skins which I have sell but not anyone take. This is my purchase skin. I take this much skins and this is sales history means how many skins does player take. So here are skins which I sold out. These are active skins which are now also active and no one buyed. Now also active and no one buy it, and this is purchase history means I buy that skins. So see here, these are very good skins. Then yes, if you want to buy skins, so you need to go in market, then buy from here. But you don't have any ruby, so in cases you will buy this keys cases inventory. Tap sell. You can sell it any price. You can sell it 9999. You can sell it at this price also, and 1 ruby also, 0 rubies also, but it will come take 1. So here you can sell. Then if anyone buys, means these are guns which someone buy. So here I got 555 too much rubies, but I used them in here taking these skins because these are 10 rubies and they were very costly. So you can take it from market. See here are very, so here 0.13 means you don't need a ruby. You can buy it at 0.13. This is very cheap. So you can buy it from here. Come here. Come close. And come here. Which weapon. And choose the weapon. And go like this. So here upgrade come. And in here skins come. Then you can take the skin. If there is no lock in any skin, so you can tap it and tap here. Here use button, so you can use it on. So wait, I will take out this. Use. So here I have Predator skin. I tap the Predator skin. See, very cheap was this skin, and so I buy this skin, and I am using this gun now. This gun is best. Then you need to tap use button. Then here tick mark come. then you will got skin on your gun. This is very simple. You can do in your game also. Now back